Movie Dil Vil Pyar Hai talks about three guys who had some kind of problems in their relationship. Jimmy Shergill, his father, was quite well off, but his girlfriend, Sonali Kulkarni, she actually would marry him only he would have stood on his feet on his own effort. So he was a good singer as well. All three of them were good singers. And on the other hand, Madhavan's wife was also an actress, Raksha, and she was an established singer, and even Madhavan was a good singer. But he wanted to do it on his effort, by his own effort. So when she actually wanted to help him, he got infuriated, and there were some kind of ego hassles which cropped in. This is the movie Abhiman. But later on, he did it on his own. And the third one was Sanjay Suri, who had a girlfriend whose brother was kind of handicapped. He was on wheelchair, Gaurav, and she would marry him only if Gaurav actually had got the treatment done, and it was in US. 40 lakhs or more than that was needed, and there was this contest where three of them took part to actually prove their worth to their girlfriends, respective girlfriends. One was Ritika Bhatt, the other was Sonali, and the third, all three of them wanted to prove their worth, and they actually did it. And the winner was Madhavan, and Raksha was very happy for him. And other two also got prizes, but the winner was, of course, only one winner will be there. So the movie ended on a happy note. The best part of the movie are the songs, which are old songs like Raat Kali by Kishore Kumar. And if I would have been judge, I would have given Jimmy the first prize, because he stole the show. The way he sang and his mannerisms, it was very apt. Sanjay Suri was good, but maybe he was tensed up because of his girlfriend's brother, like Sonali's brother. Otherwise, he would have also done a good job. And Madhavan was good, but he was the showstopper, I must say, Jimmy. So respect all three of them, proved their worth, and it ended on a happy note. So it's a must watch, and there are other characters, Kiran Kumar, then Asrani as was his Abhiman, then even we have Kiran Kumar, this Gulshan Grover as a Sird. He was kind of a very close associate of their family, of Kiran's family, Jimmy's family. And Namrata Shirodkar, of course, was Raksha, his girlfriend. Must watch. 4 stars.